before designing a 3D model, we have to set up or make a 3D three-dimensional box like this, okay, which has this side view, this front view, and this top view, and all are joined together so that the model can be made easily. And I have drawn these lines, these reference lines, as guidelines to maintain the symmetry of the model. Let me show you how I designed this. Before starting, let's set the camera to parallel projection, and go to top view. I have this axis here, and I have collected data on the model and the model's height. From this image I have collected this data. Okay, the height of the model is 1360. This is in centimeter, so you have to change it into meter, which will be 13.60 meter. Similarly, the length will be, for the 200 model, 47.30. If you want to make a 300 model, that scale, you just have to stress the fuselage. The height will be same and the wingspan will be same. Okay, so we are going to use this information to make the three-dimensional box. Okay, I have set the stage, and we are going to make this three-view box. Okay, so I have set up the workspace, and go to top view, and while making this I also need the information. Okay, so I selected this rectangle which has a shortcut keyboard key, that is R. Okay, you just click on this, or press R on your keyboard and draw a rectangle like this. You can see here there are some numbers. Okay, so the front number, or the number at the front, is this, the width or wingspan, and the number at the last is the length of the rectangle, which will be this 47.30 meter, and the wingspan will be 38.50 meter. So let's change this. So wingspan will be 38.5 meter and the length will be 47.3 meter. Press enter. Okay, the desired top view has been created. Just move it like this using the move tool, or just click M on your keyboard. Okay, we have this top view, right, which has the dimensions like this. The wingspan is 38.50 meter and the length is 47.30 meter, right? Exactly. Okay, so we have our top view. As you can see, the color of this rectangle is blue, okay, which is the reverse face of a plane. So you have to reverse it. Simply select using this select tool, select, left click, and then click the right click on your mouse and reverse its face so that you can see the white. Okay, so we have the top view. So now it will be very easy for us to make the tree view box. Now use the pencil tool or line tool, this L, and click from here and go up like this. Okay, and you have the information for the height is 13.60 meter. So 13.60 meter will be the height of the model. You can see the height is 13.60 meter. So you have the height, you have the length, and you have the wingspan of the model exactly same in this tree view box. So let's complete the box. Join this, click here and don't click anywhere, just drag this mouse like this, and from this you have to maintain the blue line until you see the green line and just click and complete this box like this. Okay, so now you have the tree view box. Okay, right, let's save it. Let's save it in the exercise folder. Let's make a folder named exercise exercise. Let's save it here. Copy the path. Simply copy and go to Sketchup, and here simply paste and save. Okay, name it B757 X. Okay, so we have this tree view box, and the front view is this, while the side view is this, and the top view is this. Now, how can you make this kind of tree view box with the pictures, the side view, the top view, and the front view, and the guidelines? I'll show you right after this.